In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack password. Whether you're enhancing your online security or simply refreshing your credentials, updating your Slack password is straightforward and quick. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to ensure your account remains secure. First, you'll need to navigate to Slack's website. You can quickly get there by typing slack.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've reached the homepage, find and click the button labeled Sign in with Google. This option is quite handy, especially if your Slack account is linked with your Google credentials. By signing in through Google, you'll streamline the process and quickly access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is the hub of all your Slack activities, featuring channels, direct messages, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you need. It will help you navigate to where you need to go more comfortably. Now, on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on this to access your profile. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. On this menu, you will see an option labeled Tools and Settings. Go ahead and click that. This section is essential as it provides you with a broad range of options for managing your Slack environment. Moving along, you'll also need to access the billing section. Although we're not changing billing details today, it's located right within the same menu. You're likely in this section to set or improve how your account is managed. Now for the most important part, accessing your account settings. Click on Account and Profile. Within this area, you'll find various options tailored for managing your personal information and security. Finally, look for the password option. Once you click on it, Slack will probably prompt you to input your current password, ensuring you're the genuine account holder. After typing in your current password, you'll be guided to enter your new desired password. Remember, it's always beneficial to choose a strong, unique password, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, which is harder for others to guess. After confirming your new password, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it, your Slack password is successfully updated. This change takes effect immediately, so make sure to remember your new password for next time. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, the Slack Help Center is a great resource to explore. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your digital security on Slack. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech how-tos and tips. See you in the next video.